Welcome viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel tutorial on how to draw a beautiful long ladies coat. In this step-by-step guide, we shall walk you through the process of creating a stunning fashion illustration that will make heads turn. Start by sketching the basic outline of the coat using light, simple lines. Define the shape and length of the coat, paying attention to proportions. Add details such as buttons, pockets, and seams to enhance the realism of your drawing. Focus on the collar and lapels, ensuring they are elegant and well defined. Use shading techniques to create depth and dimension, making the coat appear more realistic. Experiment with different textures such as wool or leather to add visual interest. Pay attention to the folds and creases in the fabric as they will contribute to the overall realism of the drawing. Don't forget to include any embellishments or decorative elements that may be present on the coat. Take your time and work patiently, refining your drawing as you go along. Use reference images or real-life examples for inspiration and guidance. Remember to keep your lines smooth and confident, avoiding any unnecessary hesitations. Continuously assesses your progress and make adjustments as needed to ensure accuracy. Remember to have fun and enjoy the creative process. Once you are satisfied with your drawing, consider signing it to make it truly your own. Share your finished masterpiece on social media using long code drawing challenge to inspire others. Experiment with different drawing techniques and materials to further expand your artistic repertoire. Embrace your own unique style and let it shine through in your drawings. Thanks for watching this video.